Hi, in this video I will compare three different Arctic P12 computer fans. The first is the regular P12. The manufacturer includes 4 black screws. The device does not have rubber corners. Its cable is of standard length, uses a 3-pin connector. Next is the P12 Max. The packaging and contents are similar, but this is a higher quality product. It has rubber edges to absorb vibrations. The product uses a 4-pin PWM connector. The third is the P12 Pro. This is the newest product of the three. Important: remove the protective film before use. Another important piece of information is that it has the highest energy consumption of the 3 fans. In addition to the rubber feet, this fan also has an extra extension option for connecting additional fans. In the next test, I will compare the fans in steps. First at 30, then at 60, and finally at 100% power. The test is housed in a deep cool case, but it receives power from an external speed controller. After presenting the different speeds, I will compare them with each other. Sorry, this is a different product. Of course, all fans can stop automatically. Finally, I compared their spin speeds. Overall, all 3 fans performed well for their price, but the P12 Max stands out from the rest. For general everyday use, the P12 may be enough,